Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. Students, in this video, we shall learn about first law of thermodynamics. For that, let's consider a system, that is, let us consider a beaker consists of some liquid and it is allowed to get heated. Okay, before discussing that, let's say that this is a system and this is the partition and the outer region is the surrounding. We can consider it this manner. Now, inside this system, if we say, let's the internal energy of this system be U1. Internal energy, we can say that it is the sum of all forms of energy of a system. All forms of energy like kinetic energy, potential energy, translational, rotational, electronic, vibrational energy, all forms of energy. Summation of all these forms of energy is nothing but the internal energy. So, let's say the internal energy of this system may be as U1. Now, as I have said that it is allowed to get heated. So, if it is allowed to get heated, so let's say that the system absorbs Q amount of heat, isn't it? After absorbing the amount of heat, definitely there will be a change in its energy. That is, there will be change in the internal energy. And let's say after absorbing the amount of heat Q, its internal energy becomes U1 plus Q. Now, that's very logical that you see if it gets heated, that is, if it absorbs the heat, then what will happen? There will be definitely a change in the system, that is, there will be a change in the volume. What does it mean? That after absorbing the heat, the system, there is a change, that is, some work is being done on the system, and that is why what happened? There is a change in the volume, some work is being done due to the absorption of heat. So, if work is being done, it means there is again increase in the internal energy. So, further increase can be added by W, which may be considered as the work done on the system. So, this way we can say that the final change in internal energy may be as U2. Initially it was U1. After absorbing the heat, it becomes U1 plus Q. And when some work is being done, that is also added. And finally, this is equal to U2. So this is the new internal energy of the system. So we can write in this way, U2 minus U1 equal to Q plus W. U2 minus U1, final internal energy, initial internal energy, which is equal to nothing but the summation of the amount of heat and the work done. That's very simple. Initially, the internal energy was U1, but when it absorbs the heat and work is being done on it, its internal energy is being changed. So that is very logical. So we can write it as del U is equal to Q plus W. So this is the additional amount for which there is a change in the internal energy. Had it not been there, then the internal energy would remain as same. That is, U2 could remain as U1. U2 has been arrived just because of the addition of Q and W. So what idea is coming to in our mind? The idea is that the change in internal energy is due to the absorption of heat and due to the work done, isn't it? So we can say energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. That is, the total energy of the universe remains constant. U2 arises just because of Q and W. Had it not been there, then U2 and U1 could have been same. I hope this is clear to you. So this is known as first law of thermodynamics. First law of thermodynamics states that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be transformed from one form to another form. Or another way we can say total energy of the universe remains constant. I hope this is clear to you. Please go through this video. If you find any difficulty, you may ask me. Thank you very much for today.